How prevent a memory page from caching out? How to make a memory page not cached out. In the previous article, I showed how to list pages. Modifying the attributes is not a big job, but it seems only to work on memory pages with write access. I have not discovered yet how to enable write on a memory page that is marked as read-only. This code will loop all memory pages. If it finds an executable page with write access, it will set the NOCACHE attribute, forcing Windows never to swap out this memory page. Warning: writing wrong values may cause a process to suddenly crash. Make sure you are not busy with important documents on your computer while running this code. We use the VirtualProtectEx API to modify the attribute. Procedure T form 1. Button 1 click. Sender, TObject, var il integer, PID THandle, meminfo memory basic information, memstart pointer, memsize integer, NoProtect, old protect, dword, var string, var lp message buff, char, begin button 1. Enabled equals false, for I equals 0 to 2000 do / begin / process query information PID equals open process all access process VM operation or process query information or process VM write false I * 4. If PID 0, then begin memstart equals 0. L equals virtual query X, PID. Memstart, meminfo, size of, memory basic information, while, L equals size of, memory basic information, do begin application. Process messages. If application terminated, then break. If meminfo.protect equals page execute read, then / make it read write. NoProtect equals page execute read write, else if 0. meminfo.protect end, page execute or page execute read or page execute read write, then NoProtect equals meminfo.protect or page NOCACHE, else NoProtect equals meminfo.protect. Memstart equals meminfo.base address, memsize equals meminfo.regionsize, if meminfo.state equals mem_commit, and meminfo.protect NoProtect, and meminfo.protect and page _guard equals 0 / and / meminfo.type _9 and mem_private or mem_mapped equals 0, then / allocated begin if not VirtualProtectEx, PID, memstart, memsize, NOCACHE, @old protect, then begin format message, format_message_allocate_buffer or format_message_from_system or format_message_ignore_inserts, nil, get last error, $0000400, lang_neutral, sublang_default, @lp message buff, 0, nil. If lp message buff nil then begin / show message, lp message buff, local free, integer, lp message buff, and else / show message, OK. Memsize equals memsize plus 0, sleep, 2, and integer, memstart equals integer, memstart, plus memsize, L equals virtual query X, PID, memstart, meminfo, size of memory_basic_information, and close handle, PID, if application.terminated then break, and button 1.enabled equals true, end.